Hello, my name is Jason Pipe, and it gives me great pleasure in introducing to you my workshop theme, which is improving fluency and pronunciation in the EFL classroom. As the title suggests, I'm going to consider two aspects of second language acquisition, namely fluency and pronunciation. As you may well be aware, despite research informing us that pronunciation can and should be taught in the classroom, as it is an important part of communication, it is in fact often ignored. The reasons why is because teachers find it challenging to teach, and also there's a concern that it might adversely affect the fluency of their students, especially students who are less confident in expressing themselves due to limitations in their grammatical and lexical resource. So through my research, however, I would say students need to be suitably guided towards particular aspects of appropriate pronunciation in order to improve their intelligibility, but to do so without making them feel overwhelmed. So this workshop will hopefully enlighten you in how to work on pronunciation while maintaining fluency. The workshop will be split into three parts. The first part will be first to learn how to engage students in conversation through the timed paired practice framework, thereby working on their fluency. This will be followed by a discussion on the importance of parallel processing to ensure that progress can then be made between fluency and pronunciation. And finally, activities will be provided in how pronunciation can be taught explicitly, applied regularly in class, and observed carefully by drawing students' attention towards pronunciation at the suprasegmental level. Again, this workshop aims to provide solutions to ensure that students can focus closely on the prosodic nature of pronunciations whilst maintaining their fluency, and to guide the teachers on particular strategies in how to encourage their students on this aspect of second language acquisition. Thank you for your time and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.